What's going on, YouTube, man? It's your man D-Dubs from Tires on Tarmac, man. I'm at the multiplex out here at Waukegan, man. And my baby's out here taking their swim classes and stuff. You can see in the background, you can see the pool and stuff. I just wanted to give y'all an update what's going on with Cherry Bomb. Yeah, so basically, the air intake is gonna go in, but I'm gonna put a pause on it. And I got some important things to do family-wise, so you know everything is about the dollar in our country. So basically, I'm gonna put a pause on it, and then I'll let y'all know and do a vlog on it when I'm actually going to install it. So I do have the air intake. So you watched the previous vlog. I talked about putting it in, but I'll go ahead and check my Instagram and I'll take some pics of it. I got the air intake at the house, so I'm gonna go put it in. Once I get through what I'm gonna get through, taking care of this and that and the third for the family, making sure the family's straight first, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, just want to tell y'all that, man. And yeah, just check in with you. I hope y'all enjoyed the vlog about the Antioch car show, you know what I'm saying? So I'm out here and my kids out here swimming, you know what I'm saying? So show y'all, here's the pool, you know what I'm saying? It's Tristan and Kamora over there swimming, you know what I mean? Got them in swim class. It's important to swim, you know what I mean? So they doing their thing with the instructor. But like I say, man, you know, so the air intake will be going in soon enough. I'll do a vlog and let you know when I'm actually putting it in. John already agreed I can put it on film at his shop. And yeah, man, so we're gonna do it like that. But yeah, man, I just wanted to check in, let y'all know about it. I haven't forgot about y'all, man. It's just, you know, things come up. But it's all good, you know what I mean? I'm gonna keep grinding and keep things moving with the build. But I have to take care of family first. So yeah, I just want to give y'all updates so y'all know what it is, and y'all be in the proper timeline of what's going on with the installation and the mods that I'm getting. I do got a few mods already. I got the carbon ceramic brakes at the crib. I'm about to order the carbon ceramic rotors, slotted and cross drilled, of course. So about to get those. So yeah, man, it's a lot of stuff I'm gonna have ready to install. John is gonna do everything, and I'm gonna do a vlog about everything. And then you will be able to meet John too, you know what I'm saying? So shout out to John Autos in Waukegan, Illinois, Illinois, John Autos. But yeah, man, I'm at the multiplex in Waukegan. I'm gonna go ahead and check back with y'all real soon, man. I'm gonna get out of here and go ahead and kick it with my babies, you know, let them do their swim thing. Y'all enjoy this good summer day. If y'all in the region of Illinois and the Midwest, man, y'all do y'all thing today. Drink responsible, man. And yeah, man, enjoy your family time, man. Enjoy your day, man. I'll talk to y'all real soon, man. Later.